Hey, why is this out there and screaming? Who said that? Why is this out there and screaming? You go be quiet. Be quiet, be a good kid. Don't be a loud kid. You're out there and knocking about, causing some jazz. Do you know where Kevin James is? If not, you don't need to cause any jazz around my house. What the fuck? Just don't cause any jazz. I'm a little man who's a lone being. I'm doing it. I'm doing it and small. So you out there? I said it. You gotta go to shush. Go to nope. Stop being flat. Don't bring friends by. It's quiet time. Snappy by time. That's right. You will go to get no. And now I will lay around like big dope and sit here and snap it, nope. Babies, sleepy baby. And you tell Kevin James you can run and tell that, and he better come to my house, and I'm gonna pass judgment. Kevin James is done. The birds on my side now. I'm gonna go back to sleep now. I'm going back to sleep now.